Did you start yet?
Oh yes, it's recording.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
All right.
Hi.
What are the... Hello. My name's Karl.
Hi, I'm Minna.
I was born in Germany.
I was not. I was born here in Canada.
My daughter.
My dad.
And today we are making schnitzel. Schnitzel is not necessarily German. It's probably Austrian, but the Germans perfected it. It's like the Germans have perfected the schnitzel. Chicken schnitzel, very easy to make. Gluten-free schnitzel. Use a breast. And season them, both sides, with salt and pepper.
First step is egg dip. And then cornstarch, almond flour, onion powder and garlic powder, paprika. And then this is for garnish for later, but it was pretty, so I left it there.
This is gonna be so good. That's beautiful. Fruits of our labors. I hope you enjoy it. We will enjoy it coming up very shortly. We can eat this now. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Bye.
Absolutely. Bye-bye.
Celebrate National Chicken Month and find recipes from around the world at chicken.ca.